are prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lion. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting here, try your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload the new content. Try to refer your network, show that YouTube pushes to high level of audience. In today's video, we talk about how to recover your money from FTX exchange. How to recover your money from FTX exchange. Samuel Benjamin Bankman-Fried, who is the owner of FTX, just made away with the investors' fund using it to trade in other exchanges like Binance and all of that, and get liquidated and lost all the investors' funds. And a lot of people that are victim of this might be watching this video. If you are watching this video, don't panic. Make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll teach you how to recover your money bit by bit, even if it is millions of dollars. I'm going to show you the top secret. Yes, everything is possible, and that is why WINFX trading exists. Okay, basically I'm going to show you the steps you are going to take. Okay, number one, you have to create an account with Deriv. If you check the description of this video, you will see the affiliate link to sign up. You have to create with that link. Never you just Google it. Try to create an account with that link. Then after that, the next thing you need to do is this. You have to subscribe to my free Telegram channel. When you have done this, the next thing you need to do is to join the VIP Draw Buy Enough group. In this group, you will be given a video course, a very short video course that will teach you how to convert $1 to $11,000. Trading binary option is very simple mathematics. I will just give you a glimpse of it. Okay, if you see this expression, this is 1 times 1.95, 1 times 1.95 all raised to power 14. Now, what it is, if you have $1 and you have a system that multiplied $1 by 1.95, if you put the $1, you will get 1.95. Then during the next stage of trading, if you put 1.95 that you made, that is the equity, that the initial equity and the profit. If you put it back into the trading, it will increase. It will no longer be 1.95. It will be 3.81. Okay. Then if during the third trading session, if you put 3.81, it will no longer be 3.81. It will be 7 point something. By the time you do the rollover up to 14 trades, you must have taken your $1 to $11,000 plus. Now, when you have made $11,000 plus, you have to join my Forex group, WFS Profitable Signal Group. It is called VIP WFS Profitable Signal Group. This is where I share signals on Forex market, synthetic market, and boom and crash. Now, all the signals can never lose, because before I send signal, I follow the asset for more than 3 days. I study asset. I don't trade any asset. I follow assets, like I follow few assets and then produce signal from them as at when do you like. Maybe on Monday, volatility 75 index is going to give us a signal. I will send it on Monday. On Tuesday, boom and crash is going to give us a signal, and I will send it, something like this. So you are going to now leverage big. $11,000 account, you can leverage up to, if you are trading boom and crash, you can leverage up to 10 lot size, and you can actually use boom and crash and take $11,000 to $100,000 if you get the right signal. By the time you take $11,000 to $100,000, if you get a very powerful gold signal or volatility 75 index signal, you can take it to $1 million. And you can see you are now trying to recover your money from FTS. It's not, this is a simple process, you know. There are many ways to recover all your money from the Wall Street. This is a street game. And WinFX Trading is here to help those that have been beaten down. I'm just like Messi, I'm just like Cristiano Ronaldo, trying to help my team. So all you need to do is to follow the steps. After following the steps, just thank me later. Your life will be great. You'll recover all your losses. Even if you are not a victim of FTS collapse or recession, you can still join the steps. You can still follow this step and make money in real time. Okay, so that is the update. Thank you. Bye for now.
You've got it if you're prepared to break the silence.